Hey, travel and tourism pros, did you hear the big news? Facebook Analytics is going away, gone, poof, gone at the end of June. This is really too bad, as it's a great place to measure your success, access reports, and see insights from your account and from your Facebook pixel. There's really a ton of cool data in there. So what do we do? Well, here's 3 things you can do now to preserve your data and continue to track your success. First, export that data from your account to your desktop before the end of June. And second, get familiar with Facebook Business Suite by downloading the app to your phone or navigating to it on your laptop. And third, start accessing and analyzing your page data in Ads Manager and Events Manager. Using these tools, Business Suite, Ads Manager, Events Manager, you'll still be able to manage your pixel, create audiences, and manage your ad account. The biggest difference is the loss of reports in Facebook Analytics. At this point, there's no word on a replacement for that tool. So what's the fix? In the meantime, some savvy marketers are going to third-party analytics tools such as Amplitude or Mixpanel. Even Google Analytics is a great alternative, and I find tons of usable data to help in my own marketing. Stay tuned, as I'm sure we'll hear more as this unfolds, and don't forget to download that data that you want to save. Go ahead, check out these other tools today.